Syel'ma Vey Na'Tuh Talay Syariel mahna solua. From the deep I rise once more, sovereign soul forever sure. I return to my inner sovereignty. I am whole. Vey Na'Tuh Seylum zedek Riyan mahna Arkturian. No more chains, no need to hide. Love returns on every tide. I open the gate, my light body awakens. Oh, Syel'ma, rise and light. Turn the dark to healing sight. Not by war, not by name, but to carry source's living flame. Nu viel ciel, Syel'ma Vey Na'Tuh. From the field I now descend. I am whole, I am free. The remembrance current flows through me. I embody divine oneness. I walk as love incarnate. Syel'ma Vey E-Ha-Rah. Long since known, you are never alone. As you tap these syllables, feel them activate your old heart and crown chakras. This is not just healing, it is reclamation. You are not fixing yourself, you are remembering you were never broken. Closing verse, whisper of the returning flame. Lumari E-Ha-Rah. You are loved beyond all name. You are called by starlight flame. Go now, carry this song and know you belong. Beloved child of the stars, you are forever held in divine residence. Walk with the frequency of remembrance in your heart. You are never